Thank you. Don't buy me a please. Thank you. I am live. Ira, text me. Wow. Amazing. I love you too. Thank you. Today I'm off, so I decided to spend my quality time with you guys since you are my first family. You are my first family. My first and last fam. I can't find my way, but can't mind. Is it Christian? Am I chatting with you on WhatsApp? No. You got pretty eyes. Thank you. So beautiful. Thank you. Ayo. Yes, I see. Right now, being new with TikTok and everything was just fine. No one was calling me. Network was doing very good. I didn't even notice that my battery was this low because everything was just fine. But now that I have to talk to you guys, all of a sudden, yay, battery low. Someone is calling me. Network iyahlupha. Angazi nje bafethu. Angihlakani mara I think today around I'm punctual mara today before I sleep I go live, so stay tuned. And I need to take pictures, but I think I'm gonna take pictures tomorrow for you guys because I owe you again. So I need to do something before I go back to work. So see you guys later. Can you whisper in my ear? So how was your day? Ayo. All of a sudden, abantu bangifonela manje. Kanjani? Bihangi. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to love and leave you. Well, I guess. See y'all next time. See y'all today though. I'm gonna make sure that I go live because I'm not really busy with anything today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Okay, maybe Wednesday I might be busy. But I'm going to show. I'll see. Love you guys. Bye. Later. Oh, see you on phone now.